Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a fantastic day, and if not, that is okay. This is a place where we kick out our shoes, relax and share creative ideas. I would love to hear what you would have done with this spot. I've just created it and I'm trying out new ways of painting, and I figured that fabric paint is just tint. So I am going to paint this pot with fabric paint to tint it, to prevent and help me not to continuously, whether it's every once a year or every second year, to never really touch a pot again. Once it's done, it's done. So let's see how this works. I've got some cold glue. I've got black as my base. I've got a dirty holder. I've got a old paintbrush, some water, tap water, a little bit of glitter, and some silver ribbon. I feel like a bit of silver today. So let's see how this goes, and of course, a pair of scissors. Thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy this with me. So first and foremost, water. Concrete works well with water. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm wetting my pot for easy application of my paint mix. The wetter, the better. The wetter, the better. I want the black paint to go into all these little holes and give me an antique look, a weathered look, and I'm using the pinkish color to flow in, and I just gathered that silver would look really fabulous. So, concrete is very, very new to me. I'm enjoying it. The more I work with it, the more I discover about it, and absolutely fabulous. Before I spill all the water, thoroughly wet it. Okay. Now I'm taking some glue, and I'm using quite a bit because I'm using the black paint first. My brush is already wet. Dabbing it into the paint, into the glue. More. And I mix it thoroughly with the glue. Now I'm adding a little bit of water, not too much. I always work on plastic so I can pick up my paint as it drips, or my colored or tinted water, whichever you like to call it, and then proceed from there. So there we go. This will settle very quickly as the cold glue acts not only as a bonding liquid but as a drying liquid. Your painting doesn't have to be perfect, as the concrete absorbs the coloring. It still leaves you with a lovely soft warmth of concrete. I like the color of concrete. I like the glow of concrete. It has always given me the feeling of growth, of stability. I've always enjoyed the smell, even as a child. Just I'm just storing it. I don't want my hearts to be perfectly painted hearts. I want them almost like rosebuds opening. Now imagine this. Let me give it a try. Let's see if I will succeed at my desired effect. So I'm pouring more glue, but I'll take less paint because the hearts are less hearts. Not so many hearts. The pot, the container is bigger. There you go. That's enough. Now I'm just going to dribble in. Small amount of water, just a small amount of water. I may even want my paint to bleed into parts of the flower pot, flower container, pot plant container. I'm squishing some of it out. And there you go. Cold glue breathes or stretches with your pot. When it's warm, it expands with the pot. When it's cold, it shrinks with the pot. That makes it sort of logic that the paint should stick. It shouldn't crumble or crack. This is a damp brush. I'm going to obliterate. Oops. And add my glitter just to my hearts. I will complete this pot and show you an image of the pot. Now I'm going to just do my silver ribbon. This will give you more or less how it's going to look once it's done, but this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to add some of that glue mix over the glitter to make it stick. Thank you for being here. Enjoy a fantastic day and be blessed. Ciao for now.